talk. Probably at the way I floss, make you feel a type of way.
Hey you guys, it's Ohhbrittney. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing this kind of dark burgundy halo eye, and I will be using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette to make this look, you guys. So if you want to see how I did this, definitely keep on watching. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes kind of with the NYX eyeshadow base in white. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade Candy Crush. And I'm just going to begin with this fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start blending this into my crease. And I'm really just going to focus on blending that out. And that's going to be kind of like my transition shade. Alright, so the next color that I'm going to be going into is Red Carpet, and I'm just going to be basically doing the same thing, blending that into my crease, but I'm doing this to kind of add warmth to the eyeshadow that I just put, so I'm kind of just putting it on top, doing the same exact thing. Now I do like to go back and forth and add intensity as I go. So now I'm going to go into the shade Sparks Fly, and I'm just going to be using this to kind of darken up the look. So now I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Black Magic, and I'm just going to take that on a less fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to start blending that into my crease, basically doing the same exact thing. But the brush that I'm using was more compact, so I can control the eyeshadow better so it doesn't like go everywhere. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a concealer, and I'm going to kind of carve out the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm just going in with the shade Black Magic, like I said, and I'm just kind of blending that on the outer corners of the part that I carved out. And then I'm going to go into the shade Hot Stuff, and I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to use a flat brush to put this on my lid, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth, really just to make sure I get the intensity that I want. I'm going to go back into the shade Red Carpet to blend with the black that I had just put down. And I'm just going back and forth, adding more intensity where I feel like I need it. And hopefully that makes sense. Now I'm going to go in with my Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and the color I'm using is Kitten Karma. And I'm just going to use this right in the center of Hot Stuff, and I'm just going to blend that out, and that's just going to kind of give it that really halo-y effect. I'm going to take that glitter and I'm also going to pop it in my inner corners. Now under my eyes, I'm going to go in with Red Carpet, and then I'm going to also go in with Candy Crush just to kind of smoke it out. And I'm just going to go ahead and put on some mascara. And for eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell 3D Faux Mink Lashes in the style 854. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Velvet Matte SPF Skin Tint. And I'm going to be using the shade Cuba Medium 3. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm using the shade Biscuit, that is medium dark 1. And to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Airspun Translucent Powder. And I'm using the flat side of my Beauty Blender to apply this. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that off my face. Now for blush, I'm going to be using the Sephora blush, of course. Same one, the color Lovesick. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit. And I'm using the shade Tourmaline. And for contour, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the tip of my nose and carve out my cheeks. And then I'm also going to kind of bronze my forehead. Now I'm going to go on with the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. And I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. Yeah. And to line my lips, I'm going to be using the Dior Rouge Ink Lip Liner. And the color is 962 Poison. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Vampira. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.